Look at this question right here. Child custody law question. You'll make $32 if you answer this question. Now, this is the question. Just take this question and paste it into ChatGPT here and watch as it writes the answer for you. And just like that, you make $32. In today's video, I will show you how to make money online with ChatGPT completely for free. The best part? ChatGPT will do all the hard work for you so that you simply make free money. Number 1. Make money using ChatGPT with Study Pool. As you can see right here, this is the Study Pool website. First, you'll need to click on Become a Tutor right here. Now, if you scroll down as you look here, you'll get money for answering these questions. If we click on this one right here, this is the question that we saw earlier, and ChatGPT gave us the answer for this question in just seconds. Now, if we look at this one, we can make $10 by answering this question on Moment of Inertia. To answer this question, write this here, Moment of Inertia explanation, and watch as ChatGPT writes the answer for us. That's another $10 without having to do any work at all. So sign up to Study Pool by clicking on this sign up button right here, and you can make money using ChatGPT to answer the questions on this website. Number 2. Make money using ChatGPT by writing code. As you can see right here, ChatGPT can even write and fix code for you. Now, don't worry, you don't need to have any coding knowledge to make money with this method. Just leave it to ChatGPT to write the code, and you just make money. You can make money creating Discord bots or write code in any programming language using ChatGPT on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. If you look here on Fiverr, look at how much these people are getting paid for these Discord bots. That's a lot of money. Sounds so cool, right? If you're liking the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on free ways to make money online. Thank you. Number 3. Make money using ChatGPT with translation. Did you know that ChatGPT can also translate text from one language to another? Well, this amazing free bot can do it all. You can offer translation services on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, Freelancer, and People Per Hour. Look at how much people are making with translations. All this is free money that you can start making today. And that too, using the free AI bot, ChatGPT.